Mask from max values in numpy array, specific axis. Input example. I have a numpy array, for example. A equals np.array 0, 1, 2, 1, 4, 8. Desired output. I would like to produce a mask array with a max value along a given axis, in my case axis 1, being true and all others being false. For example, in this case, mask equals np.array false, true, true, false, false, true. Attempt. I have tried approaches using np.amax, but this returns the max values in a flattened list. And np.argmax similarly returns the indices of the max values along that axis. I could iterate over this in some way, but once these arrays become bigger, I want the solution to remain something native in numpy.
Method number 1. Using broadcasting, we can use comparison against the max values, while keeping dims to facilitate broadcasting. Sample run. Method number 2. Alternatively, with argmax indices for one more case of broadcasted comparison against the range of indices along the columns. Method number 3. To finish off the set, and if we are looking for performance, use initialization and then advanced indexing.
Create an identity matrix and select from its rows using argmax on your array. Please note that this ignores ties, it just goes with the value returned by argmax.
You're already halfway in the answer. Once you compute the max along an axis, you can compare it with the input array and you'll have the required binary mask. Note, this uses numpy broadcasting when doing the comparison between A and max.
In a multidimensional case, you can also use np.indices. Let's suppose you have an array. You can access argmax values calculated for axis 0 like so. The output would be
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.